What if I told you there's a way to potentially turn a small investment into a life-changing amount of money? Look, everybody wants to find the next big thing, that stock that skyrockets and makes them a ton of money. Today, we're diving deep into 5 small-cap stocks that could do just that. Apollo Microsystems, IdeaForge Technology, Paras Defense, Vishnu Chemicals, and KDDL. These companies are doing some really innovative things in their industries, and I think they have massive potential for growth. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around until the very end of this video because I've got a special surprise worth 21,000 rupees that I'm giving away to help you take your investing to the next level. We're talking about potentially huge gains here, guys, but remember, this isn't financial advice, it's just my opinion. Always do your own research before investing in anything. Okay, first up, we've got Apollo Microsystems. This company is a major player in the defense and aerospace sectors in India, supplying critical electronics, systems, and subsystems. We're talking missile electronics, radar systems, the guts that make high-tech defense equipment work. The Indian government is pouring money into modernizing its defense capabilities, and Apollo is right in the sweet spot to benefit. Apollo Microsystems is currently trading at around 106 rupees, and it's up slightly. This company has a strong track record of growth, consistently growing their revenue and profits. Their technical indicators suggest that the stock is poised for a breakout. They're investing heavily in research and development, constantly innovating and coming up with new technologies. No investment is without risk, and the defense sector can be volatile. But I think Apollo Microsystems has the potential to be a real winner in the long run. Alright, moving on to our next small-cap stock, IdeaForge Technology. Drones are changing the game in many industries: agriculture, logistics, surveillance, you name it. IdeaForge is one of the leading players in the drone technology space, not just in India, but globally. They're developing highly specialized, high-performance unmanned aerial vehicles for demanding applications. We're talking military-grade drones, drones that can operate in extreme environments and carry heavy payloads for long distances. The demand for these kinds of drones is through the roof right now. Governments and businesses are using them for everything from inspecting infrastructure to delivering packages. IdeaForge is currently trading at 712 rupees and 65 paise, and it's up over 2%. This company has been consistently beating earnings estimates, and their order book is overflowing. Analysts are incredibly bullish on their future prospects. IdeaForge is still a relatively small company with a huge opportunity for growth. If they can continue to execute on their vision, this stock has the potential to absolutely explode in the coming years. Chapter 3. Paras Defense, Protecting India's Future. Next up, we've got Paras Defense and Space Technologies, another company on the cutting edge of India's defense industry. Paras Defense focuses on high-tech defense electronics and space technologies. They're developing advanced systems crucial for maintaining a strong defense posture in the 21st century. The future of warfare will involve drones, cyber warfare, and space-based assets. Paras Defense is developing the technologies to make all of that possible. They're working on optronics, advanced electro-optical systems used in targeting systems and missile guidance. They're also developing heavy-duty armored vehicles and aerospace technologies. Paras Defense is currently trading at Rs 1,294.55, and it's up over 5%. They've been consistently growing their revenue and profits, and their order book is massive. They're expanding their production capacity to keep up with demand. Paras Defense is also aggressively pursuing international expansion, securing major contracts with foreign governments. This tells me they're a global player with serious ambitions. Chapter 4. Vishnu Chemicals, quietly dominating the chemical industry. Let's shift gears and talk about Vishnu Chemicals, a company doing interesting things in specialty chemicals. They specialize in manufacturing a wide range of specialty chemicals used in pharmaceuticals, agrochemicals, textiles, and paints. Vishnu Chemicals isn't just producing basic chemicals. They're focused on high-margin, specialty chemicals in high demand. This focus allows them to command premium pricing for their products, translating into higher profit margins and stronger growth potential. Vishnu Chemicals is currently trading at Rs 421.65, and it's up slightly. This company has been consistently growing their revenue and profits with a rock-solid balance sheet and very little debt. They're perfectly positioned to capitalize on major trends shaping the chemical industry. There's growing demand for specialty chemicals from emerging markets like India and China. As these economies grow, so will their demand for high-quality specialty chemicals. Vishnu Chemicals is well positioned to meet this demand. This makes them a compelling investment opportunity. Chapter 5. KDDL. Precision Engineering for a High-Tech World. Last but not least, we've got KDDL Limited, a company specializing in precision engineering. They design and manufacture high-quality components for industries like watches, automobiles, aerospace, and medical devices. In today's world, where everything is getting smaller, faster, and more complex, the demand for precision engineering is increasing. KDDL has built a reputation for delivering extreme precision and reliability. They've got a long history of working with some of the biggest names in their respective industries. KDDL is currently trading at Rs3 into 12.45, and it's up over 4%. They have a rock-solid financial position with strong cash flow and a healthy balance sheet. They're led by an experienced management team with a clear vision for the future. KDDL is a well-run company with a strong competitive advantage in a growing market. Outro, don't miss out. Alright, so there you have it. Apollo Microsystems, Idea Forge Technology, Paras Defense, Vishnu Chemicals, and KDDL, 5 small-cap stocks with the potential to deliver big returns. Remember, these companies are all leaders in their respective industries, and they're all riding powerful macroeconomic trends that I believe will propel their growth for years to come. But before you go rushing out to buy these stocks, I want to remind you that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And for those of you who stuck around until the end, as promised, I've got a special surprise for you. I'm giving away Rs 21,000 worth of financial calculators to 5 lucky subscribers. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos, and then send a screenshot of your subscription to my team on WhatsApp at 91132118787. And don't forget, our How to Automate Trades course, usually priced at Rs 7,000, is available now for just Rs 99. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Let's make those investments work for you.